Have you ever noticed how you can talk about a specific brand of coffee and suddenly, an hour later, an ad for that exact coffee pops up on your smartphone? It feels like someone is secretly looking over your shoulder, doesn't it? You aren't imagining things, and you certainly aren't alone. Our modern cell phones are incredible tools for staying connected with grandkids, looking up recipes, or sharing family photos. But out of the box, these devices come with their digital front doors wide open. Think of it like moving into a beautiful new house, but the builder forgot to put locks on the windows. Anyone can just peek right in. Today, we are going to walk through 3 hidden settings on your phone that you need to turn off immediately. No tech jargon, no complicated talk, just simple, honest adjustments to give you your privacy back. By the end of this short video, you'll have a digital deadbolt on your device, and you can rest easy knowing your personal life stays exactly that. Personal. Let's dive right in. Setting number 1 is a deeply hidden feature called significant locations. Imagine hiring a private investigator who follows you everywhere you go. They note down what time you leave the house, where you buy your morning grocery items, how long you spend at the doctor's office, and exactly when you lay your head down to sleep. Sounds terrifying, right? Well, if you haven't changed this factory setting, your phone is doing exactly that. It keeps a highly detailed, stamped diary of your physical movements under the guise of improving traffic reports. Let's turn this off right now. If you use an iPhone, grab it, and let's do this together, step by step. It takes less than 30 seconds. First, tap that gray icon that looks like a set of gears. That's your settings. Now, scroll down slowly until you see a blue icon with a white hand inside. It's labeled Privacy and Security. Go ahead and tap that. Right at the very top of this new menu, you'll see Location Services. Tap it. You'll see a long list of all your apps. Don't worry about those right now. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. Look for a folder icon called System Services and give it a tap. Now, scroll down one more time until you spot Significant Locations. It might ask for your face or fingerprint to open it, because it is heavily guarded. Once inside, look at the very top. You'll see a green switch. Tap that switch so it turns completely gray. A pop-up will ask if you are sure. Click Turn Off. While you are right there, look just below that switch and tap Clear History. Just like that, you've swept away the digital breadcrumbs. Your phone will no longer track your daily routine. Now, let's tackle setting number 2. This one is called Add Personalization, or Personalized Tracking. Think of this setting like an overzealous salesman who sneaks into your home, reads the labels on your medicine bottles, checks the brand of your shoes, and uses that information to yell advertisements at you through your front window. Tech companies love this setting because it makes them billions of dollars by selling your preferences to advertisers. But you don't have to invite them in. Let's shut the door on them. Let's go right back to that Privacy and Security menu we just used a moment ago. Near the very top, right under Location Services, you'll see an option with an icon of 2 interlocking squares labeled Tracking. Tap on that. You will see a master switch at the top that says, Allow apps to request to track. If that switch is green, it means apps have permission to ask to follow you around the internet. Toggle that master switch to off so it turns completely gray. By turning this off, your phone automatically tells every single app you download in the future, No, you do not have permission to follow me. It's like locking your screen door so stray bugs can't get in. Finally, let's talk about setting number 3. Lock Screen Previews. This one is vital for protecting your bank accounts, emails, and sensitive text messages from prying eyes. Imagine receiving a confidential letter from your bank containing a temporary password. Instead of delivering it in a sealed envelope, the postman delivers it printed on a giant postcard, completely visible to anyone standing near your mailbox. When your phone is sitting face up on a kitchen table or a restaurant counter and a text arrives, the screen lights up. Anyone sitting next to you can read exactly what that text says, even if your phone is locked. Scammers love this. If they try to hack into one of your accounts, the bank sends a verification code to your phone. If that code pops up on your locked screen, the scammer can read it without ever knowing your phone's passcode. Let's put that sensitive information back into a sealed envelope. Open your main settings screen again. Look for the red square icon with a white bell inside, labeled Notifications. Tap it. Right at the top, you'll see a setting called Show Previews. Tap on it. You will see 3 choices: Always when unlocked or Never. Tap when unlocked. Now, when your phone is locked on the table, it will simply say Text Message or show the person's name, but the actual private message will remain completely hidden until the phone recognizes your face or you type in your passcode. Look at that! In just a few minutes, you have successfully closed 3 major security loopholes on your device. You should feel incredibly proud of yourself for taking these steps. Now, if you want to have these exact instructions handy without having to watch this video all over again, I've created a simple, large print, printable PDF guide for you. Simply leave a comment saying Instructions, and I will make sure to get the link over to you. You can print it out, keep it by your side, or share it with a friend. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider sharing it with someone you care about. Staying safe online doesn't have to be complicated when we do it together. Until next time, stay safe and live smart.